Hi guys, this is Mrs. Rutan. This is the new Test It Tuesday format to help prepare for the new online AP test that is taking place due to the coronavirus and closures. This test will now be a 45-minute exam. It will be online and you will be doing Q1, Q2, or Q3. We don't know which question yet, but hopefully we have an answer on April 3rd. Until then, we are going to be doing poetry, prose, and Q3 practices on Tuesdays. Here is our first practice. In the following poem by Caribbean writer Derek Wolcott, the speaker recalls a childhood experience of visiting an elderly woman's storyteller. Read the poem carefully. Then, in a well-developed essay, analyze or discuss the speaker's recollection and analyze how Wolcott uses poetic devices to convey the significance of the experience. With the frenzy of an old snake shedding its skin, the speckled road, scored with ruts smelling of mold, twisted on itself and re-entered the forest, where the dashing leaves thicken and folk stories begin. Sunset would threaten us as we climbed closer to her house up the asphalt hill road, whose yam vines wrangled over gutters with the dark reek of moss, the shutters closing like the eyelids of that mimosa called Tea Marie, and then, lucent as paper lanterns, lamplight glowed through the ribs, house after house. There was her own lamp at the back twist of the path. There's childhood, and there's childhood's aftermath. She began to remember at the minute of the fireflies, to the sound of the pipe water banging in kerosene tins, stories she told to my brother and myself. Her leaves were the libraries of the Caribbean, the luck that was ours, those fragrant origins. Her head was magnificent, Sindon. In the gully of her voice, shadows stood up and walked. Her voice travels my shelves. She was the lamplight in the stare of two mesmerized boys, still joined in one shadow, indivisible twins.